Princess Rose and the Golden Bird. In a faraway kingdom, there was Princess Rose. She had a longing for a red rose. So every evening she went out to the balcony, clapped her hand, and a golden bird flew out of now hair and sat on her shoulder. Her hair began to shine red. She sang a lullaby, and everyone in the village fell asleep and had good dreams. One day, an evil witch discovered this and cast a magic spell on her. That evening, her hair turned black, and that day, everyone fell asleep after the lullaby but had bad dreams. So, the princess asked the golden bird for help. The bird advised applying rose water to her hair. The next day, when she sang, her hair turned red, and everyone had a good dream. When the witch found out, she cast another spell and stole all the roses from the kingdom. Princess Rose began to cry. At that time, a prince came with a string of red hair. Her tears fell on the hair and they became a rose. She put the petals in water, applied them to her hair, breaking the spell. When asked, the prince said, "Give me a sign of loyalty," and I gave her mine. The king announced their marriage for her wickedness. The witch died, and roses once again bloomed in the kingdom.